AI is not taking your job, but that doesn't mean nothing is changing. A lot of people believe artificial intelligence is about to replace entire professions, that in the near future, whole jobs will simply disappear. And that idea creates a lot of uncertainty. And it's easy to see why people think this. AI can now write articles, generate images, analyze data, and even hold conversations that feel human. From the outside, it looks like it can do everything. And when you see tools improving quickly, it's natural to assume they will replace people entirely. This assumption misses something important. Jobs are not single actions. They are collections of many different tasks. Every job is made up of smaller components. Some of those tasks are repetitive and predictable. Things like sorting information, generating drafts, or analyzing structured data. These are the areas where AI performs well. But other parts of a job are very different. They involve judgment, context, communication, and responsibility, and those are much harder to automate. For example, AI can help draft emails or summarize long documents. It can process large amounts of data much faster than a person can, but it doesn't truly understand the situation it's working in. It doesn't carry responsibility for outcomes, and it doesn't have real-world awareness in the way humans do. This creates an important shift. Instead of replacing entire roles, AI starts to remove specific tasks within those roles. Over time, that changes how jobs are structured. Some tasks disappear, others become more important. This means the value of human work is shifting. Less emphasis on repetition, more emphasis on decision-making, communication, oversight, and understanding context. In other words, the parts of work that are hardest to automate become more valuable. So rather than thinking in terms of jobs disappearing, it's more accurate to think in terms of jobs evolving. Roles adapt, responsibilities change, and new types of work emerge around the technology. So AI is not simply taking jobs, it is changing what those jobs involve, and understanding that difference is key to understanding where things are heading. If you want clear, logical explanations of technology without the hype, then subscribe to MetaLogic Labs.